Sheldon Silver knocked from his longtime perch as a New York power broker by former U.S. Attorney Preet Bharara. His team nailed Silver on corruption charges in late 2015, convincing a jury Silver traded official acts for kickbacks that made him rich. Thursday, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals took a step many anticipated, tossing out Silver's conviction.
They didn't exonerate Shelley Silver. They didn't rule for Shelley Silver saying there was insufficient evidence for his conviction. What they said was that the jury instructions were improper.
The conviction undone by a recent unanimous Supreme Court ruling in the case of former Virginia Governor Bob McDonnell and his wife. The High Court tightening the definition of what constitutes an official act by a public servant and changing the way judges, like the one in the Silver case, must explain the law to juries.
Because the district court gave a overly broad and too general jury instruction, which at the time it didn't know any better because the McDonnell case hadn't been decided yet, the Second Circuit said, we've got to retry this case.
Preet Bharara is no longer U.S. Attorney, but reacted on Twitter. The evidence was strong. The Supreme Court changed the law. I expect Sheldon Silver to be retried and reconvicted. Less than an hour after the conviction was tossed, the acting U.S. Attorney announced Sheldon Silver will face retrial. Instead of reporting to prison to start serving his 12-year sentence, Silver, who's 73 years old, remains free, even as his future remains uncertain. Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
Now, a defense lawyer says Silver is gratified his conviction was overturned and looking forward to vindication at retrial. The Supreme Court ruling may also affect the appeal filed by Dean Skelos, the former Senate Majority Leader.